Alright kiddos, this is your test review video for polynomial operations. Many of you finished this in class on Friday, and I'm very pleased. Many of you did not. In either case, I'm going to work the whole review for you right here and now. What I've been saying over and over again in class for polynomial addition and subtraction is to distribute the negative if there is one, and then combine like terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this without the parentheses, distribute the negative to get negative 6v plus 2, and then combine like terms. For 2v to the fourth, 7 minus 6 just leaves one single v plus 2, final answer. On number 2, there is no negative to distribute, so we just drop the parentheses and combine like terms. Negative 3r squared, positive r squared, is negative 2r squared. 6r, negative 2r, positive 4r. Distribute the negative, drop the parentheses, and combine like terms. So that's minus b to the fourth, minus 6b, 8 plus 7, 15b to the fourth. That should be 16b to the fourth. Nope, that should be 14b to the fourth. Maybe I'll cross through my terms there so I know what I've used. Negative 7, negative 6, and positive 3b. That's negative 10b. Combining like terms. And you'll do number 4 and 5 in the exact same way. There's no negative to distribute here, so you just drop the parentheses and combine like terms. Here, you'll distribute the negative for negative 6p to the fourth, negative 7p to the third, positive 2p squared, and negative 6. And then you'll combine like terms. For 6 and 7, the leading coefficient is the first coefficient that you see once you've ordered the powers correctly, and these are already ordered by a decreasing exponent. So the leading coefficient is just the first one you see, and then the degree is the highest degree that you've got. So leading coefficient is negative 8, degree is 3. Leading coefficient 7, degree 4. This is just distribution. Negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. M cubed times m is m to the fourth. Negative 8 m to the third times 1 is just negative 8 m to the third. Even easier distribution right here. Negative 3 times 8, negative 24x, negative 3 times positive 2, negative 6. Here we're going to use the FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last. 7a times 7a, 49a squared. Outer, 7a times negative 7, negative 49a. Inner, negative 2 times 7a, negative 14a. Last, negative 2 times negative 7, positive 14. Oftentimes the middle two terms combine. Negative 49 and negative 14 is negative 63a. For 49a squared minus 63a plus 14. Final answer. 11 is very similar. 7b times negative 6b, negative 42b. 7b times negative 5, negative 42b squared. 7b times negative 5, negative 35b. Negative 1 times negative 6b, positive 6b. Negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5. The middle two terms are alike, so they can be combined for negative 29b, for a final answer of 42. Negative 42b squared minus 29b plus 5. Final answer. And 12 and 13 are done in the same manner. FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. So with these types of problems, it's always helpful to draw a picture. We've got a triangle. One side is 3x squared plus 4. Another side is x squared minus 3. And the total perimeter of the triangle is 5x squared minus 1. So the question is, how much more do we need to add up on this third side to get to this final answer? I've got 3x squared and I've got x squared, so that's 4x squared. In fact, if I just add the two sides I've got already, that's 4x squared plus 1. So how much do I need to add to 4x squared to get to 5x squared? Just a single x squared. And how much do I need to add to 1 to get to negative 1? A minus 2. So that's your missing side. The picture frame is shaped like a rectangle. The short side is x plus 3. The long side is x plus 7. How large an area does the picture frame enclose? Well, here's a rectangle. Here's the short side, x plus 3. Here's the long side, x plus 7. How do you find area? You multiply. So x plus 3 times x plus 7, and use the FOIL method. X squared plus 7 plus 3 is 10x plus 21. Final answer. The cube. The side length of a cube is x plus 1. The volume is the side length cubed. So the volume equals x plus 1 cubed. And let's write that out longhand. X plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1. And now I'm just going to do those two first. FOIL it out for x squared plus 2x plus 1 times x plus 1. And then be sure each part of this binomial multiplies each part of this trinomial. So x multiplies the x squared, the 2x, and the positive 1 for x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. And the 1 multiplies the x squared, the 2x, and the 1 for x squared plus 2x plus 1. And now we combine like terms. The x cubed is all on its own, 2x squared and a single x squared for plus 3x squared, x plus 2x for plus 3x, and then the plus 1 is all on its own. Final answer. The surface area works the same way. X plus 1 is the side length, so plug in the side length for S. 6 times x plus 1 squared. Square the x plus 1 first. Write it out longhand. 6 times x plus 1 times x plus 1. FOIL these and then distribute the 6. X times x is x squared plus 2x. 1 times 1 is 1. Distribute the 6. Final answer. You should work through number 17 in the exact same manner. We've got 3 side lengths. To find the volume, you multiply the 3 side lengths together. Starting with these two, or starting with these two. Let's start with the difference of squares. X plus 1 times x squared plus 2x and minus 2x are going to cancel for an x squared minus 4. And now we can just FOIL again. X times x squared is x cubed. That'll be minus 4x plus x squared. So our middle terms aren't going to cancel. And then minus 4 at the end is our final answer. The surface area is very similar, it just takes a bit more doing. You're going to FOIL out the length times the width and double it. FOIL out the length times the height and double it. FOIL out the width times the height and double it. Combine your like terms and you've got your final answer. This problem works in a very similar way. Plug 2x minus 1 in for r squared. FOIL it out, distribute the pi, and you're done.